Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Lenovo Tab Plus 11.5 and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and in this left section we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find General Settings. Here we have to tap on Languages and Input and tap on Languages at the top. And as you can see, currently we've got English language applied. So let's enter the list of other languages by tapping Add a Language. And as you can see here, we've got plenty of languages from which we can choose. So simply find your language and then tap on it. So let me choose maybe, I don't know. Maybe German. Let's tap and choose the region. Your device will ask you whether you want to set the new language as a default one. So let's simply tap on Change. And as you can see, in my case, German language has been immediately applied at the top of the list. And everything from now on, of course, is in the chosen language. If you've got more than one language added right here, you can reorder them to and change the system language at the same time. So let me tap on English and hold it and then drag it to the first position. Then I believe this is change. So let's tap on Change. And as you can see, right now the English has been applied. We can also remove the languages from this list. Just tap on Edit, mark the language and tap on Delete. Tap on Remove. And as you can see, we've got only English left. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.